Learn English to Hindi connectors. So, because, if, when with.
तो, क्योंकि.
And more. Welcome, language detective. Hey, you're about to learn tiny words that do huge jobs. These words may be small, but they hold sentences together like very underpaid glue. Today you will practice English connectors with Hindi. So is.
तो,
So that is.
ताकि.
Because is.
क्योंकि.
If is.
अगर.
Now is.
अब.
That is.
कि.
And when is.
कब.
Ready? Good. If not, we begin anyway. That is called confidence. A very dramatic tea story. Let's learn through a tiny comedy. Imagine Ravi, 1 cup of tea, and far too many life decisions before breakfast. Ravi woke up and said,
अब.
I need tea. He was tired.
तो,
He went to the kitchen. He spoke softly.
ताकि.
Nobody would wake up and steal his biscuits. He wanted strong tea.
क्योंकि.
His brain was still sleeping. He wondered,
अगर.
I add too much sugar, will this become dessert? Then he looked at the kettle and asked,
कब.
Will you boil, my shiny friend? Finally he announced, I know.
कि.
Tea will save this morning. And honestly, Ravi was not wrong. Meet the connectors. Now you will meet each word clearly, one by one. Say them aloud with me like you are introducing celebrities at a red carpet event. So equals.
तो,
Example. I was hungry.
तो,
I ate. So that equals.
ताकि.
Example. I study.
ताकि.
I improve. Because equals.
क्योंकि.
Example. I stayed home.
क्योंकि.
It was raining. If equals.
अगर.
Example.
अगर.
It rains, we stay inside. Now equals.
अब.
Example. Start.
अब.
That equals.
कि.
Example. I know.
कि.
You are here. When equals.
कब.
Example.
कब.
Are you coming? Tiny meanings, big jobs. You do not need long grammar speeches here. You just need the quick logic that makes these words stick.
तो,
Gives a result or smooth transition. It rained.
तो,
We stayed home.
ताकि.
Gives purpose. Speak clearly.
ताकि.
Everyone understands.
क्योंकि.
Gives a reason. She smiled.
क्योंकि.
She was happy.
अगर.
Gives a condition.
अगर.
You call, I will answer.
अब.
Points to this moment. Do it.
अब.
Not later.
कि.
Links one clause to another, she said.
कि.
It was late.
कब.
Asks about time.
कब.
Will the train come? Funny dialogue at the bus stop. Let's hear the words in action. This bus stop has no timetable, only confusion and emotional damage. A.
कब.
Is the bus coming? B. I do not know.
कि.
The bus knows either. A. It is late.
तो,
Should we walk? B.
अगर.
We walk, the bus will appear immediately. Buses enjoy this joke. A. Let's leave.
अब. ताकि.
We reach on time. B. Good idea.
क्योंकि.
Waiting here has become my full-time job. Memory tricks that actually behave. Here are quick memory hooks. They are silly on purpose because your brain loves weird little pictures. Picture.
तो,
As a bridge, one thing happens.
तो,
The next thing follows. Picture.
ताकि.
As an arrow from action to goal. Picture.
क्योंकि.
As a detective holding a sign that says, reason here. Picture.
अगर.
As a gate that opens only under a condition. Picture.
अब.
As a giant clock yelling, do it now. Picture.
कि.
As a tiny metal clip joining two thoughts. Picture.
कब.
On the face of a watch asking about time. Say it with me. Now do a short speaking drill. Pause and repeat after each line like a brave actor in a very educational drama. So.
तो,
So that.
ताकि.
Because.
क्योंकि.
If.
अगर.
Now.
अब.
That.
कि.
When.
कब.
Quick challenge round. Time for a mini quiz. No panic. Even if you get one wrong, the grammar police will not arrive on a motorcycle. What is the Hindi word for so?
तो,
What is the Hindi word for so that?
ताकि,
What is the Hindi word for because?
क्योंकि,
What is the Hindi word for if?
अगर,
What is the Hindi word for now?
अब,
What is the Hindi connector for that?
कि,
What is the Hindi word for when?
कब,
Build your own sentences. You are not just listening now. You are building. Tiny words, big power. Try. I am tired.
तो,
I will sleep. Try. I am saving money.
ताकि,
I can travel. Try. I am smiling.
क्योंकि,
Tea exists. Try.
अगर,
You come, I will cook. Try. Start.
अब,
Try. I think.
कि,
This is easy. Try. Tell me.
कब,
You are free. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just trained some of the most useful little connector words in Hindi. Today you practiced
तो, ताकि, क्योंकि, अगर, अब, कि,
and.
कब.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, make your own funny sentences, and come back again soon.
ताकि,
Your Hindi keeps getting stronger.